Introducing this charming 1931 Ford Model A Roadster, listed at $15,500, located in Vancouver, Washington. This classic beauty has been beautifully restored back in the 1980s and remains in excellent condition today. It features a reliable gas engine paired with a manual transmission, boasting a modest 55,000 miles on the odometer. The car has a clean title and runs and drives well, making it an attractive option for collectors or enthusiasts. Its vintage appeal is enhanced by features like a luggage rack, dual-mounted spares, a convertible top, and a rear window, perfect for open-air cruising. Whether you're into restoring or just love the timeless style of early 20th century automobiles, this Model A Roadster offers both nostalgia and potential. Don't miss this opportunity. Check out the link in the description for more details. Introducing a remarkable piece of automotive history, the 1931 Ford Sedan Delivery, now available for $19,000 in the charming city of Yorba Linda, California. This classic has been meticulously crafted and is in excellent condition, boasting a powerful new 350 small-block Chevy crate engine that delivers an impressive 260 horsepower, paired with a Gearstar Turbo 350 automatic transmission. With only 450 miles on the odometer, this vehicle offers a clean title, making it a prime candidate for collectors or enthusiasts. Its TCI chassis is powder-coated for durability, and it features stunning glass fenders along with a steel hood, splash aprons, and running boards. Ideal for those looking to enjoy a dependable vintage ride or to take on a restoration project, this Ford Sedan Delivery is a must-see. Explore the link in the description for more details and to arrange a viewing. Today, we've got a stunning 1931 Ford Model A Cabriolet priced at $13,000 and located in Fort Anne, New York. This classic beauty is in excellent condition, with just about 10,000 miles on the odometer, boasting a sleek black paint job and a manual transmission. It's a true convertible, with a removable custom tin roof from the 1950s, original soft-top hardware, and a story-rich history connecting it to the Prohibition era and classic American life. The engine features a 4-cylinder, runs and drives daily, with recent updates like a NOS Marvel carburetor, rebuilt oil and water pumps, a new copper head gasket, and a new distributor. It's a perfect project or a showpiece for vintage car enthusiasts, ready to turn heads wherever it goes. Whether you're into restoration or simply want a nostalgic convertible that runs great, this rare Model A is a fantastic find. Check out the links in the description for more details and photos. This 1932 Studebaker Rockne is a true gem for any classic car enthusiast. With only 50,000 miles on the odometer, this car has been well preserved, and its excellent condition will surely turn heads. The 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission offers both power and authenticity. The clean title and rear-wheel drive make it a classic for collectors. Reconditioned 13 years ago, this beauty shows a few minor paint chips, but remains a strong, solid ride. No leaks, and the engine runs smoothly. The interior is in superb condition, truly showcasing the craftsmanship of its time. Priced at $13,000 in Marshall WI, this classic is an excellent opportunity for both driving and restoring. With its gangster car allure, this could be a prized addition to any collection. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1935 Chevrolet Coach is an exciting find for vintage car enthusiasts, offered at $15,500 in Jones OK. The vehicle is in good condition, featuring a fresh rebuild of a 350 engine with fewer than 20 miles on it. It has 8 cylinders, an automatic transmission, and a rear-wheel drive setup, providing an authentic driving experience. The car's green paint is complemented by factory suicide doors, a rare and sought-after feature. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is ready for restoration, although it runs and drives well. The body is clean, with no rust or dents, making it a great base for a project. The seller emphasizes that it's time to let go of this 90-year-old classic due to having too many ongoing projects. This car holds great potential for someone who wants to keep a vintage gem moving or restore it to its former glory. The title is clean, and the car could potentially be traded for something of equal value. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. Introducing a stunning piece of automotive history, the 1935 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Priced at $17,500 and located in Las Vegas, Nevada, this classic car boasts an impressive 350 volts 8 engine paired with a smooth 700R4 automatic transmission. With only 900 miles on the odometer, its clean title status offers peace of mind for prospective buyers. This vintage beauty features working heat, while the AC simply needs a recharge. For added convenience, you'll enjoy power windows, locks, steering, and brakes, along with electric features like the e-brake. The vehicle is equipped with disc brakes all around, COI levers, and electric cutouts, ensuring a comfortable and thrilling ride. Plus, all gauges are operational, and you can jam out with an aftermarket stereo and speakers. The door handles have been shaved for a sleek look with door poppers included, a perfect candidate for car enthusiasts, restorers, or anyone looking to add a classic gem to their collection. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and captivating photos. Check out this stunning 1937 Chevrolet two-door sedan, available for just $16,500 in Mechanicsville, Virginia. This classic beauty features a V8 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, making it a powerful option for vintage car enthusiasts. With only 1,111 miles on the odometer, this sedan has a clean title status, ready for its next caretaker. Notably, it boasts a chopped top and a modern Mustang II front end, with power disc brakes in the front and a Nova rear end. While it runs and drives great with an awesome sound, it does need some bodywork and TLC to bring it back to prime condition. This classic appeals to those who appreciate vintage cars and seek a fun restoration project. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, be sure to check out the link in the description. Today, we're diving into a classic that's sure to catch the eye of any vintage car enthusiast, the 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Listed at $18,000 and located in the quaint city of Angels Camp, California, this rare find is an opportunity for those passionate about restoration and the golden era of automobiles. With its fair condition, this Chevy boasts an 8-cylinder engine under the hood, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth cruising. Although it's seen just 1,000 miles on the odometer since its restoration, this vehicle's journey is far from over. It's a piece of history, with a clean title status, ensuring its new owner can take pride in a hassle-free purchase. The front-wheel drive setup and gas fuel type remain true to its era, offering a glimpse into the past for automotive enthusiasts. Additionally, the seller notes the inclusion of a small-block Chevy engine with automatic transmission, suggesting that while this car holds onto its classic charm, there's enough under the hood to make it a reliable ride for the modern era. Whether you're a collector, a restoration enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the beauty and craftsmanship of antique cars, the 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe in Angels Camp is a must-see. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information on how to make this classic beauty your own. for sale is a striking 1937 Chevrolet Sedan, a classic beauty priced at $19,000 and located in St. Helens, Oregon. This vintage car features an impressive 383 SBC blueprint stroker engine and a reliable 700R4 automatic transmission, perfect for a smooth driving experience. With only 9,999 miles on the odometer and a clean title status, you can rest assured of its reliability. Its all-steel body and fenders have been meticulously stripped down to reveal absolutely no rust. The vehicle boasts independent front suspension, rack and pinion steering, a new interior, and smoked glass all around, enhancing its classic demeanor. The car has been custom built by its current owner over the past 15 years, making it a great choice for vintage car enthusiasts or those looking for a solid restoration project. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and photos of this classic automotive gem. This 1937 Dodge D5 Sedan is a classic gem priced at $11,000, located in Bedford, TX. With a clean title and in good condition, this vintage vehicle features a robust 218 cubic inch inline-six engine that produces 87 horsepower. The manual transmission and rear-wheel drive provide an authentic driving experience, perfect for cruising down back roads. The odometer reads 52,320 miles, showcasing its well-preserved state. The sleek black paint adds to its charm, making it an appealing choice for collectors or those looking for a classic driver. After many years of ownership, the seller is ready to pass this beauty on to a new enthusiast. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos.